Hey everyone, today we will be turning up the volume on the G80. As you know, I have previously installed the MAD secondary cat delete pipes. Although it sounds fantastic, I do want a little bit more volume, so we will be upgrading to a full mid-pipe system. I went with Megan Racing, given that I have used their products before with excellent luck. And this single mid-pipe is the lowest priced on the market, so I figured why not give it a shot. Right out the box, everything is in excellent shape. Everything was packaged very good. And I would like to mention that they had every single piece in the kit individually wrapped with bubble wrap, so that was a nice touch. All in all, I paid $498 shipped for the single mid pipe. So after install, we'll see if it was worth it. I already have the M3 in the air, so let's go ahead and get started. Tools needed for this install will be a 3/8 ratchet extension and a 10, 13, 15, and 16 sockets. We'll also need an exhaust pipe cutter tool. I rented this one from AutoZone for 60 bucks. I have had a lot of good luck with this in the past, so I will continue to use them. As mentioned before, I did have some secondary cat delete pipes installed, which I already removed. If you're working on a stock exhaust, you'll just have your 2 stock catalytic converters in these areas. To start the removal, there's gonna be a total of 8 13mm nuts to remove. 2 will be on the first downpipe. Another 2 will be on the second downpipe. On the cross tube, you will have 2 more nuts over here holding it in place. And lastly, you will have 2 more on the secondary cat connection on the driver's side. This is how everything looks with the cross tube removed. Make sure these donut gaskets are not lost, as we will need to reuse that for the new mid pipe. Working your way back, you're gonna go ahead and remove the 13mm nut that holds the catalytic converter on the passenger side. You will then remove the 10mm bolt on the driver's side holding on this hanger. Next, you'll go ahead and remove the center cross brace that's held in by 6 13mm bolts. That's the cross brace right there. The Megan Racing mid-pipe did not come with any instructions, so I will be following the instructions from the MAD single mid-pipe. Their installation guide states to cut at the second set of dimples. As you can tell, there's 3, so we'll be cutting at the second on each side. Here are the 2 systems side by side. Removal was not hard at all. Use of the exhaust pipe cutter tool did make the cuts very clean and of course mess free. Now that the old one is off, let's get to installing the new one. I went ahead and got the mid pipe installed already, as you can tell. I did install it from the front, working my way all the way to the back, installing the pieces one by one. One thing to note, when you're about to tighten everything, go ahead and insert a rubber block or a wooden block in this slot right here. That'll keep the mid pipe elevated while tightening, so once you take it out, you'll have a nice gap like this. That does conclude the installation section of the video, so let's go ahead, get the M3 on the ground and hear how it sounds.